Welcome guys. On this video, I'm going to show you how to see message request on X. Now, if you are making use of X and you want to see your message request, right? Click on this message icon or this envelope icon, click on chats, and then from this area, you are going to notice where it says request. Now you click on that. The reason why message goes to request is probably if the person must have sent multiple messages, the message is going to enter request instead of inbox. So if you do not follow each other and they send you a message, it is going to enter under request. Now, when you see the request to approve the request, all you need to do is to click on the message and then you read it. If you are interested, you can accept. Now, once you accept, this request has actually been removed from request. Now you can start chatting with each other, and this, guys, is how to accept message request on X. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, don't forget to smack like. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.